Welcome to 90 Cars, your go-to channel for in-depth automotive reviews and modifications. Today, we're diving into the modern modified 2026 Porsche Panamera, a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. This upgraded model takes Porsche's iconic Grand Tourer to a whole new level with advanced modifications that enhance both aesthetics and driving dynamics. Starting with the exterior, this Panamera boasts a more aggressive stance with a custom aerodynamic body kit. The front fascia is sharper, featuring a redesigned bumper with larger air intakes for improved cooling. A carbon fiber splitter adds to the sporty look while reducing front-end lift at high speeds. The headlights now feature an advanced LED matrix system, providing better illumination and an unmistakable road presence. The hood is sculpted with lightweight materials, reducing weight while improving aerodynamics. Moving to the sides, the modified Panamera sits lower due to a performance-tuned adaptive air suspension. The fenders have been slightly widened to accommodate custom 22-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport tires. These wheels not only improve grip but also add an aggressive look to the car's profile. Behind them, massive carbon ceramic brakes with red-painted calipers ensure top-tier stopping power. The side skirts, also made of carbon fiber, contribute to the sleek yet muscular appearance of the car. At the rear, a large carbon fiber wing provides additional downforce for stability at high speeds. The LED taillights have been reworked with a sharper, more futuristic design, and the quad exhaust tips are now made of titanium for a more aggressive sound. A custom rear diffuser channels airflow efficiently, enhancing both aerodynamics and aesthetics. The Panamera's revised exhaust system, paired with a sport-tuned EQ, delivers a thrilling exhaust note that echoes power and precision. Inside, the cabin is a perfect blend of luxury and technology. Custom Alcantara and carbon fiber trims give the interior a race-inspired yet premium feel. The seats are now lightweight, track-ready bucket seats with heating and ventilation functions. A new, fully digital 12.6-inch instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while the central infotainment system features a massive 15-inch touchscreen with enhanced connectivity options. A custom Bose surround sound system delivers a top-tier audio experience, and ambient lighting with customizable colors adds to the futuristic appeal. Under the hood, this modified Panamera houses a reworked 4.0 liters twin-turbocharged V8 engine, now pushing out an astonishing 750 horsepower and 850 Newton-meters of torque. Thanks to upgraded turbochargers, an optimized intake system, and a high-performance exhaust, acceleration is blistering. The 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint is now achieved in just 2.8 seconds, while the top speed exceeds 205 miles per hour. Porsche's advanced all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed PDK transmission ensure that all this power is put down efficiently, offering both exhilarating speed and razor-sharp handling. This modified 2026 Porsche Panamera redefines luxury performance, blending elegance with extreme power. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews, and don't forget to subscribe to 90 Cars for more latest automotive updates.